Hey everyone, today we are going to convert the infix expression into the prefix. So here we have one expression and this is the infix expression and we are going to convert it into prefix. So when we convert the infix expression into the prefix, there are three steps. First we have to reverse the expression, then we are going to solve it, and the final answer we are going to again reverse it, and then we get the prefix expression. So let's reverse the above expression. The reverse is so this is our reverse expression and we are going to solve this reverse expression. Let's start scanning symbol from left to right. So the first symbol is Q. Q directly goes into the expression because it is an operand. If operator comes, it goes into the stack. The second symbol is plus. Plus is an operator, so it goes into stack, and here is a Q. Then it comes T. T is an operand, it goes into the expression, and here we have plus. The next symbol is multiplication. So here in stack we have plus and multiplication, and here we have QT. The next one is a V. So V goes into the expression QTV, and here we have plus and multiplication. The next one is a division. So here we have division. So plus multiplication and division. Okay. While converting infix into the postfix, the rule is no two operators of the same priority can stay together in stack. But when we convert infix to prefix, the rule change. Two operators of same priority can stay together in stack. So multiplication and division have the same priority, so they can stay together in stack. Plus and minus have the same priority, so they can stay together in stack. So this is a rule while converting infix to prefix, but it is not applicable when we convert infix to postfix. Okay, so here multiplication and division have the same priority, so they can stay together in stack. Expression we have QTV. The next symbol is U. U directly goes into the expression, so here we have QTV U, and here as it is. The next symbol is division. So in stack we have plus, multiplication, division, and again division. So division and division both have same priority, so both can stay together in stack. The expression is as it is. The next symbol is W. W directly goes into the expression, and the stack is as it is. Okay. Now we have multiplication. So our stack is plus, multiplication, division, division, multiplication. As multiplication and division both have same priority, so both can stay together in stack. So here we have QTVUW. The next symbol is left parenthesis. Okay, so here we have plus, multiplication, division, division, multiplication, and left parenthesis. The expression is QTVUW. Okay, the next symbol is P. Stack is as it is, plus, multiplication, division, division, multiplication, left parenthesis. P goes into the expression, so here we have QTVUWP. Okay, now the next symbol is exponential operator. So here in stack we have plus, multiplication, division, division, multiplication, left parenthesis, and exponential operator, and here we have QTVUWP. Now the next symbol is O. O is an operand, so it goes into expression QTVUWPO. And stack is as it is, plus, multiplication, division, division, multiplication, left parenthesis, exponential. The next symbol is right parenthesis. So in stack we have, okay, exponential operator comes in between left and right parenthesis, so it get cancelled and put it into the expression. So the next symbol is plus. Okay, now here inside stack we have multiplication. The top of the stack is multiplication. But if we insert plus here, then the rule is low priority operator cannot stay above high priority operator. So we have to remove these operators first and then we are going to insert the plus. So here the expression is QTV UWPO exponential, and then top of the stack is multiplication, then division and multiplication. Now in our stack we have plus, and this plus we are going to insert. So plus and plus have the same priority, so both can stay together in stack. The next symbol is n. Here we have plus plus, n goes to the expression. Okay. The next one is multiplication. So in stack we have plus plus multiplication. Expression is as it is. Okay, the next one is m. Stack is as it is. M is an operand, so it goes into the expression. Okay, the next one is a minus. Okay, so again here if we place minus here, then the rule is low priority operator cannot be stay above high priority operator. So in order to insert minus, we have to remove multiplication first. So our expression is and in stack we have plus plus and minus. So plus and minus have same priority, so both can stay together in stack. Now we have next symbol, that is a L. So L is an operand, so it goes into the expression. Okay, the next one is plus. In stack we have plus plus minus and plus. Expression is as it is. Okay, the next one is a K, the last symbol. K is an operand, so it goes into the expression. So here QTVU WPO exponential multiplication division multiplication NM multiplication LK. In stack we have plus plus minus plus. Now we reach the end of the expression. So in stack we have first plus, then plus, minus and again plus. So we are going to remove each and every operator. So first we are going to remove the topmost operator. So the topmost is plus, then minus and again then plus and plus. Now reverse the above expression, so we get our prefix expression. So the reverse is plus plus minus plus KL multiplication mn multiplication division multiplication exponential O P W U V T and Q. So this is our final answer. This is our prefix expression for the above infix expression. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, then let me know in the comment section.